Hello, China here with another How video. Today I'll show you how to integrate CRM Plus and Zoho Sign, making it easy for your sales teams to send and track documents like service agreements and contracts. Let's get started. First things first, I need to set myself up with a Zoho Sign account. If you need to do this, you can do so from here. Make sure to use the same login credentials you've used to set up your CRM account. Once I've signed up for my Zoho Sign account, next, from my CRM account, I go to the Marketplace and click on Zoho in the left-hand menu. Here, I can see all of the apps within the Zoho ecosystem I can integrate with. I locate Zoho Sign and click Set Up Now. I select to agree to the terms and access and continue. Next, on the user and profiles, I select Install for all users. This will mean that all of my CRM users will be able to see the Zoho Sign option in all of the modules. And here I can see all the modules that Zoho Sign will be available in. Here is what it looks like in CRM. Now I need to set up our service agreement template so that it is available to send and so that it auto-populates details from deals. I go back to my Zoho Sign account and click on Templates and then Create Template. I drag an existing service agreement template that I created earlier into the box, which will start to upload. Next, I give my template a name. This will be what my sales reps see in CRM. Now I want to set up who the document will be sent to. The following are placeholders and can be edited for every service agreement sent from CRM. In the role box, I enter Customer Signee. Then enter a generic email address and name. These are the bits that you will change when you come to send an actual service agreement. Next, I want to add a counter-signee from Glaze Ground Care. In box 2, I enter Glaze Ground Care signee in the role box, then my email address and name. Again, these are just placeholders, and when you come to send an actual service agreement, you can change it for whoever you need to countersign the document. In More Settings, I can set how many days a signee will have to complete the document, assign a document type, and add it to a folder. And I can also send reminders to people to sign the document so they don't forget. Here is the service agreement I uploaded earlier. Now I need to set which fields will be pre-populated from CRM and what needs to be signed. Here, pre-fill by you means all the fields which will be auto-populated by CRM. I want to pre-fill these bits of information. From the Fields area, I drag and place the correlating fields onto the document. Here, client is company. Where there isn't an existing field name in this area, I use text. I resize the boxes to ensure all the information will fit, and enter the default value to match the document or field name in my CRM. I repeat this for all the fields I would like to pre-fill from my CRM. To save you waiting, let's fast forward this bit. And done. Let's slow things down again. Next, I need to add where the customer will sign. I click on the Customer Signee box. I drag the signature box on the document where the customer signature is required and do the same for date. Now I need to do the same for the Glaze Ground Care signature. I click the Glaze Ground Care signee box and repeat the process. I double check I've added all of the fields I need and then click Save. Now the document is set up, I go back to Zoho CRM. In a deal that has just closed, I click on Send with Zoho Sign. In the pop-out, I select to use Template and then Zoho Sign Templates. Then I select the template I've just created. Now I can merge all of the fields between the document and my CRM. For each of the fields, I select what I want to be populated from CRM, so company as account and so on. As you can see, this information is being pulled from that CRM deal record. You won't need to do this every time you create a new document. This is just to teach Zoho Sign the first time round. Remember when I added placeholder recipient details earlier? This is where I changed them. In the customer signee field, I changed the email address to match the contact email on the deal record and the name. I'm going to keep the glazed ground care signee details the same, but these can be amended if needed. In more settings, I keep the days to complete at a week, change the valid date to this time next year as the agreement is for a year's maintenance service, and keep the reminder to 2 days. Here we have a summary of everything I've just set up. And on the document, all of the deal information from the CRM record has been auto-populated. And I'm ready to send. Here you can see my recipient has 2 fields to sign, and I also have 2 fields to sign. The client receives the document to sign in their email inbox. And when they have signed, I get a copy to countersign. And when we've both signed, the documents are added to the deal record. And I can see the history and view the documents should I need to in the future. That's it. Now, every time a sales rep closes a deal, they can send the right documents quickly and easily. And you can keep track of those agreements all in one central location. That's one of the amazing time-saving integrations available in Zoho CRM+. Thanks for watching.